Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make and edit a report card using Microsoft Excel. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to first open the Excel that I've saved, which is having the marks of my students and their names. So I will open, which is over here, Excel. Wait a little bit, is opening. Yes, it has now opened. So you can see these are the names, the serial number of the student, the name. We have the mark that the subjects they did. Then we have the total. We have to get the average. We have to get the average using the function and the position and the comments. So without wasting time, we are going to start. So at the first place here, we have the total, and we are going to use the formula as it is expected. So when using the formula, you come and you click the cell, one of the first cell, like this. Then you say equal sign. You press the equal sign. Then you start. This you are going to do it normally, as the way you do just a matter of addition. So you will start by adding this cell. Then you press the plus sign. You add another cell. Press the plus sign. You add another cell, and the plus sign, then you add another cell. So this will be the total of all the subjects that the students did. So afterwards, we have added all the marks of the students. We just come and we click enter, like that. So the sum of their marks, or the total of their marks, is 300 for Oscar. Okay, so to get the sum of the marks of the other students, you just come and then you autofill, or you come to the arrow down here at the corner, you wait until your cursor changes, then you will autofill for you to get the marks of all the students. So it has come, as you can see, it is over there. So we are moving to the next step. We want to get the total using the function, and this is the function which is in the computer right now. We shall just say equal sign, press equal sign, then we say sum. After saying sum, you can see the computer is bringing for us the option which is up here. So you double click on it. It is now asking sum of what? It has already opened for us the brackets. Now what you will do first, you will just go here and then you highlight. Okay, you click on this and then you highlight the marks of Oscar, the one you want the sum to be added, like that. So we have already made our choice and the computer is now seeing. Now what we only do, shift and we close, then we just press enter. As you can see, the same total we are getting here is the same total we are getting this side, but this side we use the formula and this side we have used the function. So to get the marks, the total of other students, you do the same thing. We just auto fill like this. Come at the corner, then you auto fill. It will give you the marks of all the other students. Sorry. Yes, you can see they are the same. This side and this side, they are all having the same. Here we use the formula, here we use the function. So we move to average. This is average, and they are saying we should use the formula, and this is the manual way. So you just come and say equal sign. You say equal sign. You come and you open your brackets, shift like this. Then you come and you choose what average you want. So average is the sum of objects, the total, then divide by their sum of. So you will move to, you click this cell like this. You want this one to be involved in your average. Then you say plus. You come and you click this, say plus. You come and click this one also, say plus. You come and then you click this, then shift and you close that bracket. Now what you do next, you divide, because average is over the sample, then the number of events you have. So divide by, like that. How many events do you have here? We have 4. So you divide by 4. Afterwards, you have already created your formula, then you just hit enter. You see, it is giving us 75 as the average. Now what do you do next? The same thing. To get the average of other students, you just come, you autofill like this. Is going to give you the average. Now we have used the formula. We now go to average using a function. Okay, we shall just say equal sign, then we say average. This is now using the function which is in your computer. Is over here. Double click to open. Now it is asking us average of what and what and what. This one you will just highlight and it's going to give you the average of what you want. So you highlight what you want to get the average, because this formula is already in the computer. So you highlight it. After you have highlighted, you are saying from cell C to C2 to CF, which is over here. So you shift and then you close. Then what you do, just hit enter. You can see it is giving us the same average with this one of the formula, like that. Then just autofill. Okay, to get the other averages. So they are the same, this side and this side, giving us the same average. Now we want to get the position of the students, and to get the position we are going to use the average of the students. Okay, and so we shall use a function called rank, which is already in the computer. Say equal sign, the same equal sign, you say rank. So that is it. It is over here. You say rank. So this is now your rank, and you want to rank the students and give them positions in their work. Now what you are going to do first, you are going to start with the cell. Where are you going to start from ranking? You want to start with cell J5, the average. Okay, this J, it is J2. So you click on it like this, then you put your comma. So the next option, you are moving to references. This reference is like from where, from which point to which point do you want to rank them. So I want to rank like from J2 to J11, which is over here. So, but I need to put them in $sign. So what I'm going to do, I'll start by saying shift $sign like that. Then I start with the cell I want to put. I say J, then I put again another $sign. Then I'll say 2 like that. Then what I do, I press semicolon, shift semicolon, from which point to which point. So this is where I'm going to end. It is J11. So it is J. I start with $sign, and I say J. $11. So it is again put $sign, then I say 11. Like that. You can see it has highlighted up to down here. So I come and I press comma. It is now asking me from descending or ascending. This descending, the highest one which is the highest, we start with the 1. Then the one which is down, the lowest one will be the last one. But ascending, the lowest one will always be the first one. Then the highest one will be the last one. But for me, I want a descending order. Now what I just do, it is already chosen. What I do, I just hit enter because I want descending order. I just hit enter. So this is the position of this one, this cell here. It is number 4 of Oscar, this student called Oscar. So what I do next to get the other positions of other students, I just highlight like this. I've highlighted. You can see it is giving out position. The highest one is 98.5, which is a 1. Okay, which is like this. Then the lowest, the one following is to 97.5. Then the lowest is 28.75. You can see is number 10. Okay, now we move to the next step, which is comment. We want to write comment for these students. Okay, like this is like a final. Let me say, for example, it's a final paper for promoting students. Now, to write comment or to get a comment for a student, you just say get equal sign. You write your equal sign to get the function. Which function are you going to use? You will use the if function. So I come and I type if function like this. It is here. I double click on it. Then it is asking me for logical test. What am I wanting? Now I want to use this. Okay. I want to use this cell of average to rank my students. So no to comment on my students. Now I will say 50. Okay. No, I'll start with by typing, I mean the cell J2, then I say less than, I say shift less than um, 50, okay? Then I say a comma. After pressing the comma, I'll come and I open quotes. Shift, I open my quotes. Then I'll say the logical value. What do I want? It is now asking me value is true. I want students who have got less than 50 average from I-75, I2 to repeat. Okay, so I'll say it. I'll just type simply repeat like this. Then I shift and I close the quotes. Then I put my comma. Okay. Then again I shift, I open the quotes. So if the students who have not got below 50, what should they have? So I can say, let them be promoted. So I'll say promoted, like that. Then I close the quotes. Okay, like this. Then what do? I just press enter, like that. So these students who have been promoted, they have average above 50 degrees, as you can see. So to get the other students, I will just highlight them like this. You can see the one who repeated has average below 70, no, below 50 is like this. He got 37 average. This one has also repeated, is having 28. But these ones who are promoted, their average above 50. Okay, it is like that. So thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching the video. Um, I pray that it helps you wherever you are. May God bless you. Amen.